Hello and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Big investors accumulate 1.5 billion plus XRP, now hold 26.8% of XRP supply. Follow the money. So guys, what's going on right now? We're in a bear market, right? We're seeing a lot of turmoil. We're seeing a lot of fear, uncertainty and doubt. Is this frustrating? Of course, I'm with you guys. I'm not here to act like it's not a problem. I don't like it. However, I've been in bear markets and I've been in bull markets, so I understand how this goes. So while it is frustrating, I understand that we've just got to wait this out. But look at what's actually happening with the big investors. Guys, they're accumulating. So while the average retail speculator is out here worrying and panic selling and that kind of thing, the big investors are just accumulating. They're not worrying. They're not thinking about, hey, this is going to go down even more, or it's looking like this is the end of XRP and the price is never going to go up anymore and it's never going to go past its all-time high. They're just simply accumulating and they're just waiting, right? And this is why I keep saying to you guys, don't just worry about the immediate price action. What you've got to look at is, has the fundamentals of XRP changed? No. Has anything happened to Ripple? No. If anything, something great has happened to Ripple. They got legal clarity for XRP. So you've got to understand that yes, this is frustrating. It is. But this isn't an indication of XRP's price forever, right? This is just the ebbs and flows of the market. And right now we're in a bear market, so we're just stagnant, right? That's just the way this works. Now, when the bull market comes, euphoria hits. And that's when it's just going up, going up, going up. You feel like it can never stop, right? You just feel like the limits are endless, right? And you feel like you can just go into any cryptocurrency and the value is just going to rise. That's what a bull market is, guys. And so for me, when I look at what XRP has in terms of it being the only cryptocurrency that has legal clarity, I just look at that now and think, hey, when this next bull run does come through, I can't see how XRP won't be one of, if not the forefront crypto in terms of performance. Now, that's obviously not a guarantee, but would that not make sense considering XRP's position right now? And you're already seeing right here how you've got all these big investors accumulating. So they clearly see the potential for XRP, right? They all seem to have faith in where XRP is going because they're accumulating. And this is why I say to you guys, follow the money. Because you might be worrying right now because the price isn't exactly where you would like it to be. And again, I agree with you there. It's not great. But nothing has changed with XRP. If anything, things have got better for XRP after them getting legal clarity. The partnerships can resume. They can continue to trade in America now. They can get institutions involved. They can continue to add onto their partnerships in America. So for me, what I'm seeing here is people hedging their bets, getting ready for the next bull market. And I completely understand that. And I think that makes complete logical sense. In my opinion, just speaking logically, if you were going to get into crypto right now and you was new and you knew everything that we knew in terms of what the SEC are doing, right? Would you not be thinking at this point that it's looking like XRP would be the crypto that you'd want to get into if you was new to the market? Like if you were someone who was looking to get into crypto, right? And you've heard, okay, the SEC are suing many crypto companies because they're saying that they're all securities. But, you know, Bitcoin, they have said, isn't a security. Ethereum, they seem to be clearly doing the favoritism thing, right? They've kind of gave them the free pass as we know it as. And then you've got XRP, which actually has legal clarity. It's gone through a lawsuit and won and has legal clarity. So if you're thinking, okay, well, all other cryptocurrencies, their companies could get sued at some point, which will dramatically affect the price, which will stagnate the price, suppress the price for long periods of time. But you've got Bitcoin. Ethereum, you can say yes or no to, because they could change their mind on Ethereum if they wanted to later down the line. Or you've got XRP. So really, if you just want to bring it out to two, you've really got Bitcoin and you've got XRP that you know are safe. So would that not indicate that XRP would be the safe bet? Because, okay, you can go into Bitcoin and I'm sure Bitcoin would get a share of that pie. But there's already so much money in Bitcoin. It's going to take so much to get value out of Bitcoin because it's already exponentially increased. XRP still got a lot more room to grow in terms of market cap, right? There's still a lot more value that can go into XRP right now. And that value will exponentially rise XRP's price. So there's way more potential upside being in XRP. So to me, that would just make sense, right? For this to be a thing of, hey, let's go with XRP. Do you see what I'm saying? So to me, I don't really worry when I'm looking at what's going on with the market. I really don't, because long term, I'm seeing what the investors are doing. Long term, I'm thinking logically what this should mean with XRP getting legal clarity. And long term, I'm understanding that we're just in a bear market right now. And we've got to weather this storm to get through to the bull market. And that's where I think we should see XRP at the forefront. So this is why I always say to you guys, follow the money. So let's get into the article and then we can discuss this a little bit further. XRP ledger whale and shark addresses have accumulated over 1.5 billion XRP since last October, despite the network witnessing a persistent decline in whale transactions. Notably, these addresses holding between 100,000 and 100 million XRP have augmented their balances over the past year, according to a disclosure from market intelligence resource Sentiment. Sentiment confirmed that these key shark and whale addresses on the XRP ledger have continued to amass more XRP tokens despite a considerable drop in whale transactions on the network compared to the levels witnessed in 2021 and 2022. An accumulation trend. Data suggests that these wallets held a cumulative balance of $7.16 billion worth of XRP as of October 9, 2022. This balance translated to 13.84 billion XRP tokens, with XRP changing hands at 51 cents at the time. This cumulative holding has increased since then. Per the latest data, these addresses now hold 7.89 billion worth of XRP. This balance amounted to 15.37 billion XRP against the price of 51 cents at the time of Sentiment's disclosure. The disclosure confirms that these addresses have procured 1.53 billion XRP since last October. Due to this persistent accumulation trend, they now hold a whopping 26.8% of XRP supply, as opposed to the 24.1% rate recorded a year ago. The Sentiment chart further sheds light on the accumulation behavior of these wallets. Notably, they began amassing XRP aggressively in November 2022, amid the FTX implosion. This period saw the most significant spike in their holdings within this cycle. Interestingly, their balance bumped from 24.28% of XRP supply on November 6, 2022 to 25.96% on December 29th. This spike suggests that the addresses accumulated over 960 million XRP in less than 2 months. Their balance remained steady until another spike was seen in mid-July when XRP secured legal victory. XRP sees declining whale transactions. Sentiment revealed that this accumulation trend prevailed despite a drop in whale transactions above 100k. For context, in 2021, the daily whale transactions averaged 9,000. The network witnessed notable spikes in these transactions between April and May, peaking at 28,000 on April 21st, 2021. The next year saw a considerable drop in whale transactions. However, the transactions still averaged 5,000 a day. However, Santiment noted that these transactions now average below 4,000 this year. Notably, October 8th only saw 2,321 whale transactions. Okay, so in regards to the decline in transactions, I don't really look at it as that big a deal. Why? Because we're in a bear market. So, they're probably just accumulating and holding, right? There's nothing really going on right now. So there's no real excitement to really be, transacting right now. It's kind of just a buy and hold scenario. So to me, I don't really look at that as anything negative. I think once the bull market comes back, the transactions will be peaking again because everybody will be trading, that kind of stuff, or all the stuff going on. I think that will spike straight back up, to be honest. So I don't really look at that as anything major to be of a concern, in all honesty. I just think that's the difference between a bear market and a bull market. So nothing on that would give me any personal worries. But overall, guys, the narrative is there. As you can see, the big investors are buying and accumulating, right? They're holding. And this is why I say, guys, watch what they do. Don't listen to what they say, because sometimes they'll say one thing but be doing another, right? And you can see here, although you might be looking at the price and thinking it's all negative, you can see that the big investors are accumulating, right? So take note of that. I'm not selling my XRP at this point because I do not believe this is the best that XRP has to offer. So why am I going to sell myself short now at this point? Right? If I believe XRP can rise exponentially higher than what it currently is, what sense does it make for me to sell now? If I have to wait another year, another 2 years, another 5 years, well, that's just what it is. I'm not saying it's going to take that long. I'm just saying that in my head, I don't put a time frame on this specifically, because the fact of the matter of this, guys, is it's not in our control, right? Just because we're frustrated with the price and whatnot and we don't like where it is right now, it doesn't mean that that's just going to change for us. So in my head, it's just we wait. Now, do I think it will take 5 years for us to get there? Not in my opinion, no. But can I say that as a fact? No, because I don't have any evidence to back that up, right? I wouldn't think it's going to take that long for the price to increase at all. But I can't say anything as a matter of fact without any kind of proof or evidence or data to back that up, which I don't have. So in my opinion, do I think I'm going to be waiting that long? No, not at all. But if it takes that long, then it just takes that long. I'll be frustrated. Yes, I would. But I really don't think it's going to take that long anyway. But if that's how long it does take for me to get the profit that I want and see the actual potential price increase that I believe it can get to, if that's how long it takes, then that's just how long it takes, right? I don't get to pick and choose how this works. And neither do you guys, unfortunately. So we're just in the waiting game right now, right? That's all we can do. But in my opinion, I don't think it's going to take that long. But I just don't want to give you guys false promises, because that's not what I'm here to do. I believe in XRP, so I really do believe the price will go up. But I don't give price predictions, and I don't really give time frames because I don't know. I can't say for sure. But if you want to ask me, do I think it'll take 5 years? No, I don't personally, in my opinion. And do I think the price will go high? Yes, I do. Now, high is subjective down to different people's opinions. So when I say high, I'm not necessarily talking $10,000 high, but I am talking high, right? I'm definitely talking high. So for me personally, I just sit and I continue to wait. I really think that the proof is there that we need, that you can see what the big investors are doing. So that just reaffirms my belief. And I'm just ready to see where this goes. And I hope you guys are too. So what do you guys think about this? Whales buying and accumulating XRP. Does this make you feel confident about XRP as an investment? Is this giving you the comfort to continue to hold your XRP? Do you believe that this means that XRP price is going to rise in the future? Or do you not like this? Or do you just not really think this is any kind of real indication that XRP's price is going to go up, and you don't really think it's going to matter if whales are buying XRP or not? Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.